It's prime shipment time. Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some Amazon unboxing to do. So let's find a knife and let's get started. Alrighty, here we go. Got the knife. Boom, boom, boom. 3 cuts. Perfect. Alrighty, so the first thing we got here, probably why this box is so big, are these guys right here. So what these are is these actually go down in between the seats of your car. So I'm sick and tired of losing things basically down in between the seats of the car. So I got these guys here. So that's what they look like. They're a little long thing like this. And if you look here, it's a thin pocket. So you basically shove this between your center console and your driver's and passenger seats, and you should be good to go, not losing stuff under the seat anymore, because it's going to go in this pocket here. So huge thanks to my buddy out west for turning me on to these things, because he had them in his car when I was out there, and absolutely loved them. So got myself a pair, and they've got the nice red stitching as well, which is going to match the car perfectly. So I will throw these in and not lose things under my seat anymore. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, yeah. So I'll link in the description or whatever up here other videos of these guys, but what this is, I swear by these, is a USB battery camera, or camera battery charger. So this guy here charges via USB. So if you're ever out somewhere and you're on a shoot and all your batteries are low or they're dead and you need some more power, you can hook this up to any portable battery bank. I've got these for the 5200, which I'm filming on right now. This one came with 2 batteries, is for the A900. So I'm using the A900 a little bit more, and actually I like it. You throw it in your pocket and you've got it. Not as big as this guy that I'm using right here, but so I'm gonna get a little bit more mix, I think, with the 900 now. So I got 2 extra batteries that came with the charger. All of these chargers are still micro USB. They haven't caught up yet. I wish they were USB-C. If they were USB-C, that would be incredible, but we'll deal with what we got right now. At least they give you a micro cable. So we got the micro cable here. It's actually a pretty nice cable. Boom. Plug that in. And now no matter where you are, as long as you've got some form of USB power, you can charge up 2, not just 1, but at the same time you can charge 2 camera batteries. So these ones are for the Nikon A900, but they're available for whatever camera you have. I'll put a link in the description below that'll take you to these guys, and then you can search from there for whatever type of camera that you have. USB battery charger, the way to go for sure. All right. I think I did order one more thing. Yeah, there it is. Now it's on the floor. Boom. Okay, so a couple weeks ago I unboxed a new lens. Actually, got it right here. I unboxed this guy. This is the Nikon 18-105 lens. So I've been using it a lot lately, but the problem that you have with video is you can't do as many adjustments. You've got to keep your focal range, or your, what is it, your f-stop or whatever. You got to keep it at 1/50 if you're filming in 24 frames a second. And when you're outside on a bright day, it's just too much. So what you got to get is an ND filter. So I got this Fotga ND filter. It's a wideband ND filter fader, so you can actually turn it to kind of get a different effect out of it. So this is not made for this lens I have on here now. Will I get the effect? Can I show you? Yeah, see? There you go. You turn it and it gives you more or less tint. So this is great because it's a variable ND filter. So depending on the amount of sunlight that I have, I can now just turn the dial and get the effect that I want on this lens. So, boom, let's throw this on here for a little bit of protection. Look at that, slides right on. So now I've got an ND filter for my 18 to 105, which I've been wanting to pick up for a while now. So got that, we're good to go. So it's a little small Amazon unboxing today, but got a few things that I definitely needed. A couple things I wanted. I didn't need more batteries, but I really wanted to get this charger because I've been using the A900 a little bit more lately. I've got the charger now, USB, whatever device I have around, whatever charger I've got, these are good to go. This is gonna be really cool. Pretty pumped about that, having the adjustment factor on this guy here. Just tightening that, there we go. Just to have that adjustment factor is so cool. So variable ND filter, link in the description below if you want to grab yourself a variable ND filter for your lenses. And boom, oh no. There's a step adapter on this lens here, which goes up to 72, which is fine. This cap doesn't fit, but I have a 72 cap for that lens that I'm looking at right now. So we'll have to share caps. Can be done, all good. Next Amazon unboxing, have another Nikon lens cap in there for sure. Okay guys, so that's all I've got to unbox today. Make sure you hit that like button if you like what you saw today. Smash that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this one. And until next time, take it easy out there.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.